What's up, guys? So in today's video, as you see, we are putting the bags on the Jenny. So the first step, of course, is to gut basically everything. We still have to take out the subs, but I think we're gonna run it through the back over there. There's an opening. So we took this panel out, all these panels, the glove box, this panel right here. There's already a hole since there's subs already, so we're running it through over there. On the other side, let me show you the other side. And the other side, you could take out the seat, but since we work every single day, it's not really viable for us. So we took off this panel over here, this panel, and this panel over here as well. So we're gonna run the lines, the hoses through this panel, so the air lines, and then we're gonna run one air line over there and the whole wire harness, that section. We're gonna do a mid tank, so the tank is gonna sit probably right here, and the compressor is gonna be in the back. So basically hiding everything. So yeah, so this is basically day one of doing everything. Right now we're installing the main wire harness cable. All right, guys, so we got it in. This is where we get it in right here with the fuse, and we're gonna run it through, you know, regular here. So let's continue to the back. And we're gonna be putting now the second harness, so we have everything ready. Over here. Alright, guys, I'm gonna teach you the wiring harness. So here's what you're gonna do. Where it says focus 85 and 87, you're gonna put both positives on there, and you're gonna get this blue wire and put it right here next to 88. Then we're gonna get the other one, the other blue one, put it right here. I think this is the one with the button. And then you're gonna put, I believe, the 2 grounds right here, but I'll get back to you once I finish the wire harness. And so yeah.
For the compressors and then the ground.
All right, so this one is for the compressors, not the grounds. So this is only for compressors. The 30 and the 86. Both compressors go on the 87 right here. All right, everyone, so we have everything wired up, I believe, except for the compressors that you can see. So we're gonna test if the remote comes on. So he's gonna go test it right now, and we're gonna see if it starts. So let's give it a second and see if it starts.
What did I do wrong?
Is it on it right now?
No. It sparked. But this didn't even turn on right here?
No, it didn't turn on. Alright, guys, so off camera we actually wired everything. So here is the fitting that's gonna go on the harness. Here's the tanks. We already have the tanks wired up. As you see, the compressors are all built and ready to be wired. So this is how we have it so far. All we're missing now is to install the bags, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, I'll catch you back later in the next video when we install it in the car.
Leave it on. Leave it on, leave it on, leave it on.
Alright, guys, so we connected it. As you see, everything's connected, the compressors are working. This is the final setup of how we have it.